Hi everyone. Today's video will be an introduction to the first section of the Qigong form called Duan Jin. Duan Jin is most likely the most popular Qigong and typically the first Qigong form you will learn because it's quite simple. It's a simple routine. It's a mixture of two other more advanced Qigong sets called Jing and Jing. So Duan Jin means 8 sections brocade. So it's a form consisting of 8 sections. Today I will introduce you to the first one. So kind of key points here will be to breathe. Always breathe with the nose. So clench your teeth, push your tongue against the upper mouth, and deep controlled breathing. And breathe with your movement together. So when you, for example, brings your arms up, breathe in, inhale and exhale as you push your hands out, and let the breath follow the movement. That's very important. Each section of Duan Jin also targets different areas of the body. So the first section starts with the lungs. So we do a lot of stretching to open up the chest area here to breathe better. It also practice the liver, the back, the neck, and so on. So I will take you through the first section as it should be performed, and you can do it repeated as many times as you like. There might be a full tutorial here on YouTube for the full section of the Duan Jin for full 8 sections, but keep in mind that the Duan Jin has many different variations. As with everything in Shaolin, nothing is the same. Different master, different forms. So this is the version, one of the versions I've been taught, and the one I prefer to train. But it doesn't mean that any other version of Duan Jin is incorrect or wrong or anything. It's just what you like to do. Basically, the Duan Jin sections in each variation focus on the same area. So just do the one you like. If you don't like this version here, yeah, find someone you like. That's fine. When it comes to Qigong, it's not that important for this single section, but when you learn the whole set, it's not important to do the form in that certain pattern. You can mix it up, you can do just some sections. It's not like in our traditional forms, which has to be done in this certain way. So just keep going and do the sections you like. You can do the whole set, you can mix it up, practice one section, do some kung fu, whatever you like. So without further ado, I will take you through the first section. Good. So start with your feet together. Close eyes, close your teeth, place your tongue behind your teeth, and take 3 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. Focus, nothing gets you distracted. Now we start. So step out with your left leg. Breathe in, inhale. hand on top, holding a small ball, elbows holding a bigger ball, and swallow and breathe out. Exhale. Holding this position for 3 breaths. We continue. Elbows behind as far away as possible as you inhale. And exhale as you push forward here. Keep this position for 3 breaths. Inhale. Elbows as far backwards as possible. Look to the left and push as you exhale. Inhale. Hands behind the ears and push. 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Close the section. So there are a few key points. So every time you push, you really have to make sure that you push all you can. So push something away from you, push something to the side, push something over your head. So you need to use power. Qigong is not, it is soft training, but it's not soft in the matter that we don't use power. So push, use power, push, use power, push, use power, all this. That's very important. So especially when we push upwards, it's important that you look after your hands. So you look, because that trains your neck, and the whole area here will be stretched. Every breath needs to follow the movement, and between each section of Duan Jin there will be 3 breaths. 3 times inhale, 3 times exhale. Good. If you feel tense, or there might be some movements you cannot perform or do because of injuries, pain, whatever, just do what you can. The most important thing here is to focus on your breathing and do the movement as good as you can. Over time, it will hopefully get better. So that's it for today's video, section 1 of Duan Jin. See you in the next video.